How to split text in a column into multiple rows. I'm working with a large CSV file and the next to last column has a string of text that I want to split by a specific delimiter. I was wondering if there is a simple way to do this using pandas or Python? I want to split by the space, and then the colon, column comma in the seat blocks column, but each cell would result in a different number of columns. I have a function to rearrange the columns so the seat blocks column is at the end of the sheet, but I'm not sure what to do from there. I can do it in Excel with the built-in text to columns function and a quick macro, but my dataset has too many records for Excel to handle. Ultimately, I want to take records such John Lennon's and create multiple lines, with the info from each set of seats on a separate line.
This splits the seat blocks by space and gives each its own row. Or, to give each colon separated string in its own column. This is a little ugly, but maybe someone will chime in with a prettier solution.
Differently from Dan, I consider his answer quite elegant. But unfortunately it is also very inefficient. So, since the question mentioned a large CSV file, let me suggest a try and a shell Dan solution. Compared to this alternative, and this, the second simply refrains from allocating 100,000 series, and this is enough to make it around 10 times faster. But the third solution, which somewhat ironically wastes a lot of calls to str.split, it is called once per column per row, so 3 times more than for the other's 2 solutions, is around 40 times faster than the first, because it even avoids to instance the 100,000 lists. And yes, it is certainly a little ugly. Edit. This answer suggests how to use to underscore list, and to avoid the need for a lambda. The result is something like, which is even more efficient than the third solution, and certainly much more elegant. Edit. The even simpler works too, and is almost as efficient. Edit. Even simpler and handles nans, but less efficient.
Another similar solution with chaining is use reset_index and rename. If in column are not nan values, the fastest solution is use list comprehension with dataframe constructor. But if column contains nan only works str.split with parameter expand equals true, which return data frame, documentation, and it explain why it is slow here.
It may be late to answer this question, but I hope to document two good features from pandas, pandas.series.str.split with regular expression and pandas.series.explode. The output is
If you want to see more, we have the course of subscriptions.